guys, it is Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with the I'm like very squeaky, the much awaited, it says on the kit May, but it's actually March mystery. It was an oops. It's okay. But it's March mystery, and I'm super excited. I'm in love with this kit. I'm in love with the foil. I love everything about it. I love the colors. I love the theme. I love everything about it. I love the foil. It's something very, very exciting, and I'm super, super pumped about it. Let's go ahead and show you guys. So, look at this mystery. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. We're going to go through Ultimate first, as per usual, and I have been psyched about this kit for so long. Let me go ahead and show you guys the kit first, then I'll show you all the extras, all the foil. But look at how pretty this kit is. The colors of this kit are insane. So beautiful. Look at these colors. I'm living for it. The pink and the blue, yellow and green. I'm just like, yes, everything. So I've been wanting to do like a carnival type kit for so long. I feel like a lot of people go to carnivals kind of in the summer. But I feel like also this could kind of just be like a fun like summer kit. Like you don't have to be going to the carnival. You could just be like, this is cute. I love the colors. I love the girl with the yellow hair. I just think it kind of pulls in all the colors. I initially had her blonde, but I think the yellow, I saw the yellow option. This is Kit & Jess art. Kit & Jess does do a lot of our custom art. All of our mysteries are custom art, so you're not going to see it anywhere else. But I just think it's so beautiful. I love the scene. I love the funnel cake. Like, funnel cakes are so good. I love the colors. I love the fun slide. The slides are just honestly my favorite part of going to the carnival. So I'm in love with this. That was creepy. My trash just moved. The foil in this is mixed metal. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell in the full boxes, but you'll be able to see I did do mixed metal. It kind of like fades from a silver to a gold throughout, and you'll see how that's pulled in to the foil then. So you have a bunch of deco over here, and I love these colors. I love the yellow. It's a really pretty yellow. It's not like bright and in your face, but it's still yellow. You know what I mean? I love this extra full box. I just love everything about this. You can see here how it goes from a gold to a silver to a gold, and I did that with a lot of the different elements. So I've never done mixed metals in a kit before, and I just think it's so fun. You have kind of, even over here it goes from silver to gold, and again, like you can see it throughout. It's just like there's gold and silver in here, and it's just so fun. You can see here too, there's gold on that part, but then silver over here. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. There's silver and gold. I'm here for it. I'm here for the patterns. I'm here for the colors. Look at these colors. I'm dying. I'm so excited to use this kit. And look at this bottom washi. It is so pretty. I'm living for it. And then you have your little freebie here. So that is the kit. So normally in shop this is $29.95, and the mystery is $30 plus shipping. So you can pretty much just get this kit for that price. But whenever you sign up for the mystery, you get a whole ton of extras. Let me zoom you guys out just a little bit. So there are a bunch of extras. I think we counted there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 extras. Sorry if you can hear about it in the background. So this is the glitter sampler. So you do get this whenever you subscribe to the Ultimate. I'll go through all the like non-foil extras first. So you do have your the 15 millimeter washi if you want to use that, or you could definitely save this for another kit. It's a hot pink. You can use it with a lot of different kits there, so you do get that as well. There are some fashion girls, so I did use the other fashion girl. She's holding a teddy bear, and I just thought these were so sweet and so cute. Just in love. Just so sweet and so cute. I love the little gold nose on the bear. And then you do also have some scribblers. So you have all three of the girls here. So you have some little sparkler girls, a little roller coaster kind of girl, popcorn, and then also some cotton candy, which are super cute in all of the kit colors, which are adorable. And then last but not least, you do have the foil items. So the first thing here you do have, which these are all mixed metal, which how fun is that with this kit, which is like our first ever mixed metal kit. So this one here has the alternating bow, which I just love. So you have that, and then you have the confetti strip, which I have talked about in our new releases videos before, but you can totally use this on the deco area. You can use it on the bottom washi area. Or you could even take your Erin Condren ruler if you have one, or just measure it out, and you can make little extra full box overlays. So if you go ahead and just trim this here, so this is the width of a full box, you can trim this and use them as extra kind of full box overlays, which is another fun way to use them. But I just love this. I love the mixed metals, and it's just so fun and so pretty. So that's the first foil extra. Then you do get some header overlays. So these are the chunky, and they do have the gold and the silver throughout. And then you have the full box overlays, which again are the chunky ones and have the silver and gold throughout. And then we did do some flag overlays, which you can use in this spread and more spreads in gold and silver in there, of course. And then last but not least, we do have these, which are really cool little circle icons. And I thought they were nice because you can kind of mark anything with them. It's a bow. And the outside, which I'm gonna put this on a tweezer because I think it's a little hard to see. So if you put it on a tweezer, let me see if I can get it to focus. So the outside part is gold, and then the inside has a silver bow, but then it's outlined by clear. So it's gonna look really cool on like a pink area. Do I have something I could put this on? I want to put it on that here. I have a Post-it. Okay, so like, let's say this was your sticker, and you put this down. It gives the icon a pink outline with the silver bow with the gold outside. I just think that's really cool and fun. So they have half with the gold and then the silver bow, and then half is the silver with the gold bow, which is really cute, I think. So you do get these circle icons, you get the flag overlays, you get the full box overlays, the glitter header overlays, the bottom washi overlays, the scribblers, the fashion girls, the 15mm washi over... why am I calling it washi over? It's a 15mm washi strip, and then also the glitter sampler, kind of as freebies, because normally our ultimate kits are $29.95 and this is $30 plus shipping, of course. So really excited about this month's. Can you imagine if I did weekly mysteries? This month's mystery kit. I love the theme, the colors. I love the mixed metal foil. I'm just so psyched about it. I don't think I've ever been more excited for a mystery kit, and like I said in like a recent like Ask Me Anything, this is one of my top 3 favorite kits of all time. I just think it's so fun, and I just think the art is just beautiful. So love this. This is this month's mystery for March. And then last but not least, I'll go ahead and show you guys the mini kit. So the mini kit doesn't come with any of the foil items, which I have mentioned before. You guys can check out. A lot of mystery questions can be answered on, if you go to scribblesprincesco.com, there's a little mystery tab on the top, and there's tons of frequently asked questions. So the mini kit is a more affordable option, but it doesn't come with any of the cool extras or the foil items. So this is the mini kit. It's the, I don't want to quote, I think it's $17. And then it does come with the glitter sampler, which is a $5 value, which is still a great deal. There are a lot of mini kit subscribers still. I will be bringing normally, so like let's say last month was the butterfly like garden theme. I will be bringing back those foil extras as a pack. This month, because we are bringing a full mixed metal line to the shop, I think there's probably like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, maybe like 12 items we did. I will be bringing a full line to the shop. These ones will be available a la carte. So this is one of the only mysteries that the items will be available a la carte later. Normally they will be in packs, like last month I said, just because we're not bringing butterfly full box overlay type things to the shop or anything like that. So these will be available if you're a mini kit user, or if you just really want these will be available in the shop at a later date. It's kind of like a really cool like exclusive preview for the mystery this month, which I think is kind of cool. So that is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that you guys like it. Even if you like it half as much as I do, that's still a lot, because I love this kit so much. I don't think I've ever been more in love with a mystery. Well, my favorite kit of all time is SPC Cafe, and that was a mystery, but I feel like I didn't fall in love with it until I used it, which was actually quite a while later. So anyways, that's everything. I hope you guys like this video, and I'm so excited for you to get these, and I hope you love them. So I'll talk to you guys later.